Welcome and let's talk about Shibadoge token in 2025. In 3 years to come, how much will Shibadoge hit? Remember, we did Shibadoge price prediction back then, but now Shibadoge have gotten listed by 4 new crypto exchanges, and right now Shibadoge has been listed on xt.com. It has been listed on BigX, on IndoEX, on AAX, and also Uniswap V2. But we still believe before the end of 2025, of course, we will be seeing Shibadoge getting listed by some other top crypto exchanges like Gate.io, like Crypto.com, like Albank, like Kucoin. We should be experiencing more Shibadoge listing. But now Shibadoge token still trade with about 16 zeros at the time of recording this video, and Wells have also shown interest on Shibadoge back then, and which brought Shibadoge to a social media campaign, because most of you were talking about Shibadoge token then on social media. But the truth is, in 2025, I believe Shibadoge is expected to delete between 2 to 5 zeros. Okay, yes, I know deleting 5 zeros is not going to be easy, but the truth still remains, Shibadoge can reach that level of deleting between 5 zeros, but just that Shibadoge need a lot of work to do in order to reach that level. Deleting 5 zeros simply means that Shibadoge must have increased by over 1 million to 10 million % increase in price. I know it's not going to be possible, but yes, Shibadoge have all it takes to hit that level before the end of 2025. Now, Shibadoge token also need some of the most important thing, which is destroying Shibadoge coins. Shibadoge have trillions of coins in circulation, and I think Shibadoge needs to burn billions. I'm not talking about billions, I'm talking about burning over 100 to 500 billion coins in a single day. But in 2025, Shibadoge is expected to really increase in price, because Shibadoge is one of those top coins that need a lot of social media engagement, because people believe Shibadoge is the next Shiba Inu. So Shibadoge community needs to increase. Right now they have over 35,000 wallets. Okay, so by the time Shibadoge wallet will be hitting between 500,000 to 1 million wallets, then Shibadoge must have delete, because have really done well. I mean, getting top 4 crypto exchanges listing this coin within the period of 3 days simply means they've really done well. But I still believe that Shibadoge still need more to do. They still need to get listed by Kucoin or Gate.io or Crypto.com or Albank or Binance or even Coinbase. Yes, I think they need to reach that level of getting those top crypto exchanges listing Shibadoge, and that is going to help the price of Shibadoge to really increase in price. And one important thing Shibadoge need also is to run a social media campaign. I think they should take a look at what Floki In did then in London. Floki In was doing a lot of social media campaign adverts on the streets, billboards everywhere, on television. Floki Inu was everywhere, on train station, on bus station. You see Floki Inu everywhere. That advert really pushed the price of Floki Inu to massively increase in price and to keep Floki Inu to where it is today. I think Shibadoge holders need to do the same. Yes, they need to run adverts across Europe, across America, across Asia, across Africa. I think they should take a look at the wallet. The country that have the largest part of their wallet, they need to go there and run some adverts. Okay, if they can run adverts in London, in US, if they can run adverts in some of the bigger cities that are engaging in crypto industry, I think it will help Shibadoge to get more popularity, to get more people, more audience that will be investing and buying Shibadoge token. But I still believe that before the end of 2025, of course, Shibadoge can delete between 1 to 3 zeros, and I believe this is going to be one of the biggest Shibadoge rise in history. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.